Zcash is projected to increase 4.9% by May 27, 30 rates notes. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. Today, Zcash has gone down 8.9% and is now sitting around $612.05. We now turn to the analyst predictions. According to Gov Capital Collector, the asset could reach $601.36 by May 27, a loss of roughly 1.7% from today's price. Zcash could advance towards $613.45, according to CoinDataFlow, approximately 0.2% up. CoinLore points out it could move up to $627.28, about 2.5% more than now. Another outlook from 30 Rates highlights Zcash may head higher to $642, a rise close to 4.9%. And to wrap up, Traders Union predicts $680.68 by tomorrow, which is 11.2% higher than now. This is the strongest return potential we've seen. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. Now we move from forecasts to their expected performance. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a drop of 1.7% and a gain of 11.2%, depending on the analyst. In short, Traders Union has the highest projected return with 11.2% gain in value by May 27. As a result, you might earn between $2 and $112 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility-based calculations, CoinDataFlow's forecast stands out with a 99.7% chance of success. After aligning all forecasts, I've mapped out a clear consensus scenario. The combined forecasts point to Zcash moving up to around $632.95, reflecting a 3.4% gain. Here's what the breakdown shows. The consensus outlook points to a 3.4% rise in price. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 3.4%. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $34 added. So the odds of this consensus scenario for Zcash being fulfilled are about 98.5%. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. A slide is anticipated by Gov Capital Collector with pressure on the downside. Also, CoinDataFlow points to further downside potential. CoinLore describes Zcash as following a rising course. Also, 30 Rates suggests the short-term path is upward. Additionally, Traders Union forecasts the price pushing higher. The consensus, built from multiple analyst perspectives, suggests Zcash could climb during the 3-day horizon. Taken as a whole, most analysts present a positive outlook, keeping Zcash tilted toward growth. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. As a result, the price ended the day at $652.45. Yesterday showed that most analysts had the correct forecast on direction. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by CoinPrice Forecast. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. Yesterday's candle included 2 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, multiple predictions turned profitable, and the best return stood at 6.1%. Now appearing is the full summary, the verified outcome for all analysts. In today's review, Digital Coin Price presented 99.1% forecast probability, $39.73 accuracy, and a return of 4%. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. And now you'll see the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns based on consensus analysis. At the top of the list is Zcash, showing the strongest potential gain of 3.4%. At this stage, Zcash is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. If you found this Zcash summary helpful, drop a like so I can keep improving these updates. Have a good day ahead.